Hello, it's Natasha, and I'm in Credly right now. This is my Credly profile. I'm a free user. We are going to create a badge using Credly, and then that badge will be awarded in the course we are creating at the moment in Moodle for Teachers. So I'm going to give people a badge. So I go under Give, Create New Credit. And then the process of badge creation is really easy. I'm going to choose this layout, and I'm now going to customize it. I'm going to customize it a lot because I want my own icon here. I don't want this pencil. And I want to use the logo for our course as my icon. So I will go under Upload, upload an icon, and here we are going to search for our logo, which is right here. And now we're just going to wait. As you can see, it's been uploaded successfully. I'm going to use this icon, and there it is. But now I no longer like the round shape of this badge, considering that my icon is a rectangle. So I'm going to experiment a little bit. As you can see, shapes can be changed easily. Okay. So it's really either this one or this one, but this one looks more like a badge to me, so I'm going to go with that. And now let me just zoom out a little so that everything is visible. And now here is my Credly badge. No, I'm not quite happy with it right now. I want some text here. So first of all, I need to unclick the No Text Please box. The course Kim, Sneža and I are creating as Team 4. The course is called Opera Teach. So I'm going to call this badge Opera Teacher. So if you get this badge, you are an opera teacher now. Okay. Am I completely happy with this? Let's see. I could change the border. I could choose this, or this, or this. But I'm going to stick with the original one. I like it. I could also choose colors. Let me just see this. No, of course not. Banner. Banner can be, the color of the banner can be changed. So let's just play with this a little bit. Maybe. Advanced, no. Done. No. Okay. Okay, my mistake. I can only now see that if I drag this, and I go with green, something like this maybe. Don't know. I mean, I'm going to try, and then maybe I can have white text. You know what? It's not bad. Maybe just a little lighter. Well, I'm not going to play around with this too much. Just want it to be a bit bluer than this. Okay, so it would take me ages to be quite happy with this color, and for me to be happy with this color, it would need to be exactly the same as the border. Okay, I paused the recording a little bit because you don't really need to watch me play around with colors. I'm happy with this now. I'm happy with this, and I'm going to keep it as it is. Now we need to describe this credit. Credly has quite a nice support section with lots of video tutorials, and I advise you to go and watch them if you're planning on creating your own badge. And they advise you to fill in all of these fields here. So let's do that now. Of course, I'm not going to call this badge Excellent Award. I will call it Opor Teacher. And now I'm going to add a description. Okay, I had a description ready elsewhere. And it reads like this. Awarded with gratitude for participation in the Opera Teach session 2018. Awarded with gratitude because if you come to our course, we will be very grateful that you came to look around, and we will award you the badge. You don't need to work very hard to get the badge, you just need to visit our course. Now here you could add more detail. You could give credit description and credit criteria, and the Credly people advise you to fill all of these fields in so that the badge is really really describes what the participant did. But I'm not going to go into this right now because I'm afraid my free video will expire. And as you can see here, credit description, credit criteria, you can provide links. Expires, I'm going to keep it at never. And then I can, if I wish, require evidence upon issuing. And if you click here, it says, if turned on, issuers will be forced to add evidence to issue this badge. Then again, you can allow learners to download their own certificate. I'm going to change the category TEFL. And then I'm going to save this info. And here you go. The badge has been created. In the meantime, I went and changed the border one more time, and I'm happy with this. And so I click this little invisible button, and now here we are. Step 1, review credit before you send. Issue date, this is all okay. Yes, everything looks great. And now I'm going to stop here because my free video is running out. So step 2, I will leave step 2 for another time, and I'll have to work out the way to import this to our Moodle course. So thank you for watching, and that's all for now.